The conflict has now entered a critical phase, and hostilities are expected. Two countries, util Iranian IRGC suffering several optional losses. At this point, the ideas of a ceasefire has lost much its meanings. Agreements are the signing one day, and next one day of the collapse to next. It is becoming increasingly clear that the US military objective is to systematically direction the IRGC optional capabilities. Today alone, US forces carry out of the heavily strikes against the nearly 170 strategic targets. However, Washington is not considering and the unimpacted bombing coming infected is following to collapse to strike and the furthering strategic launch a furthering attacks, then the furthering to the those Tehran response before they decided the next move. Iranian optional for the retaliation are being increasingly limited. It is the primarily leverage it like this targeting US military bases across the Middle East or dispector communication ciphers thoughts the state of Hormuz. Utter of the circumstances, the pursuit of the another ceasefire approach highly underrated for a new diplomacy effects have the effective collapses the Tehran of this understanding of it is face of the only choice. Under the circumstances, the personnel of the another ceasefire approach the highly underrating force a new diplomatic effect the heavily effectively collapses the Tehran understand that if facts only two choice countries fighting or the accept is the ceasefire under pressure. Surveying this, the elections will be one of the Iran greatness challenge as a now conflict the company's pressure of the two major military power. Thanks.